Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how this free AI TensorArt is better than Midjourney. First of all, I will open TensorArt. Here you can see my credits. One image will cost 1 credit. And here you can see incredible variety of different models. First of all, click on Workspace. After coming to the Creator page, we need to select a basic model. I'll select this one. After that, enter your prompt here. I'll simply copy paste it from ChatGPT. Then you can change the aspect ratio. Here you can select how many images you want to generate at one time. And I'll click on generate. You can see the result. For generating better images, I can add a LoRa, I'll select this one. Now regenerate it with the same prompt. After adding LoRa, you can clearly see the difference in the results. Next tool is Control Net. Click on Control Net and you can select any pose you want. I'll select this one. Click on Confirm and let's regenerate. This is how you can create images with TensorArt. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.